Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing just a little happy mail hack, a quick tip that you guys can use to make your crafting go a little bit quicker. So the next time that you're making shaker pockets or something like that with your fuse tool, go ahead and grab some pocket letter sleeves. I cut mine into like a mini pocket letter size, so there's 3 pockets. And all I'm going to do is go ahead and pre-make some shaker pockets on my little pocket letter sleeves. That way, when I'm ready to make a mini pocket letter, I don't have to pull out my fuse tool again. The shaker's already there, ready to go, and super easy. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna make a few of these with you guys today. And I feel like the trick to making this work and making it really easy on yourself is to keep your shaker mixes simple and kind of one color. So you could use a variety of different like shapes and sizes of a particular color of sequins, but try to keep them all in the same color family. So for this first one, I'm going to use these really cute pink sequins. And then these are white, but they have a pink shift, so I think these will be really cute in here together. So let's go ahead and do that. So these little white stars are not from Recollections. They are just from my stash, and I just put them in this little container to make life easier on myself. So I'm gonna put quite a few in there and then quite a few of these pink ones. If you guys are curious about these little containers, I get them from Amazon, and I will leave a link to the whole kind of storage system I have down below for you guys. Actually, maybe I will just pour some of these in. Since this is kind of a simple shaker, I'm gonna be somewhat generous with the sequins because I figure my pen pal might want to cut this open and repurpose them. So I also have some of these big ones, so maybe I'll put some of these in here too. These are kind of similar colorway as the little stars are. Just grab a pinch of those. And those can just kind of float around in there too. And then I will go ahead and seal it up with my fuse tool. If you guys ever have problems with your fuse tool, I do have a video where I explain how to use it and give you my tips and tricks for how I like to use it. So I will leave a link to that down below as well for you guys. I'm not worried about it being a little bit messy. Usually when I do a shaker pocket, I cover this up with some washi or sticker or something. You see? I mean, this little shaker could go with so many different collections, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in a safe spot. That way when I'm ready to make a little mini pocket letter, it's that much quicker. So let's go ahead and do another one. So I think for this one, I want to make like a purpley one. So I've got these 2 kinds of sequins. This one goes in there. And then I have this one that's really pretty. Like that. And then actually I might take some of these little white ones because I think these would be really cute in here too. Alright, so we've got that. I'll just seal it up. And how pretty is that, right? So there's another one done real fast. Let's do this one. So for this one, I think I'm going to do like a blue-green mix. So this is like a really pretty teal color and then a light green. He's so pretty. For some of the green. And then maybe, I don't know, should we do maybe some little clear diamonds in there too? So they're not really a color. Again, just seal it up. You could definitely do this for like a full-size pocket letter sheet. But I've been enjoying like mini pocket letters a lot lately, so I figured I would just go ahead and kind of prep some. Alright, so there's a really pretty blue-green one. This one would be really pretty for like a mermaid theme or something. Yeah, totally gorgeous. Okay, so one more. So for this one, I want to do kind of like a white theme. So maybe I'll use some of these. I have this hollow one and then the little diamond. So why don't we go ahead and do this. Some of those. Whoa. All right. A little bit crazy there. Add some little diamonds. Let's kind of see how that's gonna look. Like maybe it could use a little bit of pink. So why don't we just toss in a little bit of this pink and then this one will be ready to go. So I added the pink to kind of tie in the other pink that was in there from these kind of color shifty ones. Super duper pretty, right? So you guys saw just how quickly these all came together. So next time you have your fuse tool out and it's already hot and you know you're already working on other things, go ahead and try something like this and save yourself some time in the future, okay? But that is it for today. I hope you guys found this little happy mail hack helpful and useful. Let me know down below if you give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!